saucy, spicy pasta recipe that is worth 10 minutes of your time because the dish turns out mouth-watering. Once you have your first bite of this delicious saucy pasta, the pasta will be well cooked with a very nice flavor from adding in all the fresh ingredients, that is oregano and thyme, together with the capsicum, tomatoes, which make up that delicious sauce for every mouthful. So grab the ingredients and let's make this delicious saucy pasta. For this recipe, I have some fresh tomatoes, capsicum, onion, ginger, and a few spices, that is black pepper, white pepper, and black pepper. And to season, I'm also going to be adding in some salt and also some fresh oregano and thyme. Let's get straight into making this delicious lunch. So I'm going to place a pot with water for boiling my pasta, and in my pan over here, over medium flame, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'm going to wait for around 30 seconds so that the cooking oil can get ready so that I can fry my onions. When ready, I'm going to add in my onions and ginger. When your water is boiling, you're going to add in salt. Add in your pasta, and then you're going to be boiling for around 3 minutes until the pasta is al dente. You can use any pasta that you have in the house and the recipe is going to be amazing. My onions are well sauteed, they're nice and soft. So next I'm going to add in tomatoes. That is 2 large tomatoes. Stir in the tomatoes, add in my spices and salt. Use my spatula and stir in the seasoning into the tomatoes and cook the tomatoes for around 1 to 2 minutes until the tomatoes are well cooked. I know some of you like white pepper and others black pepper. So what is the difference? So white pepper is spicier and hotter, while black pepper is mild with a very nice distinctive earthly taste, which makes food very delicious. For this recipe, I'm using both white pepper and black pepper for that spiciness and that very nice taste from black pepper. My tomatoes are ready. I'm going to check on my pasta. It's softened up. So I'm going to put out the flames. And because my tomatoes are ready, I'm going to add in some green capsicum, ketchup, stir in, the ketchup is going to make the tomatoes very saucy. Then next I'm going to be adding in my pasta. After adding in your pasta, you're going to use your spatula and stir in the delicious saucy tomatoes together with the pasta, coating the pasta with the deliciousness. Reduce the flames to medium-low. Add in some of the water that you used to boil your pasta. Then you're going to stir in. Reduce the flames to medium-low. Then you're going to simmer your pasta for around 1 to 2 minutes. And to balance out the acidity of the dish, I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Stir in, check in the seasoning. Oh, this looks so good. I need a tiny pinch of salt. Stir in the salt. Oh, yum. After 2 minutes, your saucy pasta should be looking well cooked, very delicious. You can cut the black pepper so it's flavorful. So next I'm going to finish off by garnishing with some fresh herbs, that is oregano and thyme. You will notice that your pan is drying out. Add in some of the water once more and stir in. In less than 10 minutes, my saucy, spicy pasta is ready and it's looking mouth-watering. Trust me, if you try out the recipe, every mouthful will be as delicious as the dish is looking. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy pasta recipe.